Good morning, Team Wow. This is Simply Sarita, your fellow ambassador. I have been playing on the Sanctuary Girl social website. So I went in and I went to profile, and then I am actually here where we're going to edit the website. So I figured I could take some time to just show you what I'm doing. Now, me personally, I don't want to put my home address on my website because of safety measures, but I will put the phone number there and leave it as that. I'm not for sure if this is going to, how that's going to work. I'm working on a domain name where I have some other businesses that I will be using to pivot back to this page. So I put that in there for now, but I am going to do the Sanctuary Girl website until my web designer finishes the my primary domain name for me. So let me change that back, and then I am a no. Okay, and then I have the Facebook page there. I'm working on getting an updated headshot, so I just created my own graphic logo through Canva. Denise uses that one pretty well too, so she's a good person to reach out to. So I'm just going to upload that for now. And then I did a quick bio, not a bio, but pretty much just an intro. Welcome to my Sanctuary Girl homepage. I'm glad that you stopped by to see my amazing affirming products. I offer something for both male and female. Both female and males. God said that He created man in His image. My products are a gentle reminder of who and whose we are. And I should put in Christ. See, this is a work in progress. And then I'm going to keep this as one paragraph. I am here to assist you with selecting the perfect pieces. Remember to check out the monthly exclusive products. All right. And then I'm available for women's events, fundraisers, trade shows, events, online and home social. Schedule your social today. Be blessed, be organized, be you, and Sarita. And then I'll probably see if I have room to put my email again, just so to make it easy for them not to have to search for it. Keep it right at their fingertips. And then the phone number again, even though it'll be on there. So just taking some downtime to do a little thing with my business, and then I'm going to hit, you can't see that, it's the save changes because my bar is too low. So underneath this bar where I'm going down, it says save your changes. So I'm just going to save the changes. And then hopefully when we go to home, not log out, I want to just go to home. Let's see, did it save it? I want to see if it'll pop up the logo now when you go to my web page. Let's see. So I know this is me. It has my name there, but I don't see that it shows the picture. But that's okay because I know that they're doing updates. And it says my card is empty. But yes, so I just wanted to make sure I shared some things that I'm doing just to work the business regularly every day. And see how this says that right here? Let's see if it takes it to my... Wow. It takes it to my page. But I don't like that it takes it to my home page and not the social, Simply Social page, because that's what I would like it to do, is to go to my Simply Social page right here. Well, that's I'm enough. Okay, hang on. Yeah, see, I want it to go here. So what I'm going to do is try to see if I can copy this link and then put this link in my my profile. Pin to shortcuts. Okay. So copy link address. Then we're going to go back here. So I'm planning this as well as everyone else. If someone's gotten further than me and they pretty much know what they're doing, please feel free to use Screencast. What is that tool called? Screencast-O-Matic to make a video. And so this way we can all learn and grow together. Here. Okay, so let's see. So that says public. And then I want to go here. Let's see if it takes it. All right, so I'm going to exit out of here again. And then we're going to try to go to my Sanctuary Girl page as a customer or someone who gets my brochure and see what they see. So catalog. Let's see. Yeah, for some reason, I'm going to need to message her that it's taking them to my page, personal page, and not the, my linked page. Like if I have a closed group. Oh, you know why? That group is private, probably. Let me go back. So it may not let you. I would need to be your friend first because I wanted to keep this as a private group until it's secret. So that's probably what my issue is that I have the group secret for now until I get ready to go public. This is like my mock group to try to work through some kinks in the group. So that's why I made it secret for right now. And so that's going to be pretty much everything that I covered on this go around. I'm hoping that the famous Daniela Clark will come together with a nice quick booking blitz video for us or text or something, because she is amazing, just like all of you. Well, this is Simply Sarita, your fellow ambassador, super excited about the new exclusive products, and I want you to make it a great day. Be blessed, be organized, but most of all, be the best version of you. Have a great day.